Hello everyone. In this tutorial video, I'll explain the concept of list in HTML. HTML list allow web developers to group a set of related information in a list. In HTML, you can apply ordered list and unordered list. Ordered list is used to group a set of related information in a specific order, whereas unordered list is used to group a set of related information in no particular order. Here you can see two types of list, ordered list and unordered list. Now the ordered list is denoted by OL tag and unordered list is denoted by UL tag. An ordered list starts with the OL tag. Each list item starts with the tag li. The list items will be marked with numbers by default. In the other hand, an unordered list starts with the UL tag. Each list item starts with the li tag as similar as ordered list. The list items will be marked with bullets by default. Here you can see some example. On the left hand side you can see some HTML codes written over here, and on the right hand side you can see the sample output of the code. In this code, ordered list is defined with the help of this OL tag. So you can see the reflection on the web view or the browser view. Let's move to the example of unordered list. If I rewrite the same code by replacing OL with UL, you can see the difference. Everything is same. I have just changed the tag from OL to UL. As a result, you can see the list is appeared with bullets. In the previous example, you have seen the list was appeared with numbers because I have applied ordered list over there. Now in this case, I have applied unordered list UL, so list is appeared with bullets. Moving to the next topic, attribute of list tag. You can use type attribute for OL tag to specify the type of numbering you like. By default, it is number. Otherwise, you can apply capital A, capital I, small I. And for unordered list, you can use type attribute for UL tag to specify the type of bullet you like. By default, it is disk. Apart from disk, you can apply square and circle. Let's try this practically. Here I am creating a new notepad document and naming the file list in HTML. And here I am writing some basic HTML codes to explain list. Under the body tag, I am choosing one background color, and with the help of heading tag, I am writing list of subjects. After closing heading tag, I am opening ordered list through the tag OL. After that, with the help of li tag, I am preparing the list of all the subjects. Finally, I have to close OL tag, body tag and HTML tag respectively. Now I have to save the file by means of a web page. So click on File tab, choose Save As option, and after the name of the file, I am writing .html extension to make the file a web page. And you can see a web page is created inside the folder by the name list in HTML. Let's open the file. Here you can see the output or browser view of the code. Here list of subjects appeared by means of a heading. After that, I have applied OL tag, which represents ordered list, to present the list so that you can see the list is appeared with some numbers. Now I'll open the file with notepad and I'll change the code OL to UL and you can see the difference. Now I'll add the attribute type to change the type of the list. Here I'm adding attribute type within the tag UL and I'm setting the value of the attribute to square to change the style of the bullet from disk to square. And after refreshing the page, you can see the difference. Now I'll add the next type, which is circle. I'll save the file and I'll refresh the page and you can see the difference. After that, I'll add the default type, which is disk, and after saving and refreshing the page, you can see the default style of the bullet is appearing with the list. When I'm changing UL to OL and I'm writing type is equal to 1 and I'm closing ordered list tag. I've saved the file and after refreshing you can see the numbers are coming. Now one by one I'll apply all the possible types for ordered list. By this way, you can apply list in your HTML page. Hope this video will help you. Thank you for watching the video.